Hi, everyone. This is Chris Markowski, president of Markowski Investments and host of the Watchdog on Wall Street radio show, here to tell you how to use Level 2 Quotron. That's right, a Level 2 Quotron to buy or to actually figure out how to buy and what to sell. You know, I kind of laugh at this because it harkens back memories back to when I first started in the business, and the Level 2 Quotron was like the holy grail, and if I only had a Level 2 Quotron, well, then I'd make all the money in the entire world. Guys, you know, you're going to get a Level 2 Quotron. A lot of these online places are going to maybe offer you what's going on the Level 2 screen, which is basically the brokerage firms and institutions and where their positions are and what they have to sell or offer. But the reality is they've got the same screen in front of them, and they've got more money to deal with than you do. So they can crush you like a bug at any time. Yeah, it may work sometimes. It may not. Kind of like, you know, some of those blackjack books that you read. Yeah, it may work sometimes. Maybe it won't. The best bet is if you're listening to this right now and you need to learn how to go about using a Level 2 Quotron, you shouldn't be using one in the first place. This is Chris Markowski, your watchdog on Wall Street.